Melissa, coming back at you with another product review. In today's video, I am absolutely delighted to bring you another review on the Maxfull Hair extensions. This time, I'm actually going to try using the extensions to give my hair a longer, fuller appearance. If you tuned into my last Maxfull video, you would have seen that I actually ordered the 16-inch extensions, which were my hair length, if not just a tad bit shorter. And so today I'm actually giving these extensions a try so that I can lengthen my hair as well as add body. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing with you guys and get this process started. Today I'm getting to spend the day with my boyfriend to celebrate his birthday, so I wanted to put a little extra pizzazz on my look. Let's go ahead and get the box open so that I can get ready to install the extensions. And then today I'm actually going to do a different hairstyle. I'm going to go ahead and curl them so that you guys can see how they look styled. Before we get into the unboxing, if you are new to my channel and this is the kind of video that you enjoy, I encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell too so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. Alright guys, so if you watched my last video, and if you didn't, I will definitely link it somewhere right around here. I actually did an unboxing last time, so ooh, they gave me a gift this time. That's exciting. So they gave me a cute little pin. So I like to do actual real-time reaction unboxings because I think it's just more genuine to do it that way. I really want my viewers to see what the process is going to be like if they place an order. So the extensions just come in this little pouch here. And it's just a 7-clip extension, so it's not a huge amount of hair. I would say that if you have thinner hair, if it's fine, I would definitely recommend ordering 2 sets. But because my hair is already relatively long and it's medium, I would say that this is gonna be adequate. So when they come packaged, they're gonna be bundled with this string, and you kind of have to be careful when you're snipping it to make sure that you don't cut anything valuable. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Snip, snip. Trying to get it without doing damage to the extension. All right, so that just comes out. I'm really excited to see how these look. They were really gorgeous online, and the last extensions that I got, I just really love the quality. They're really affordable too. Like, I think that's my favorite part. Oh, that's really pretty. All right. So they're kind of bundled up still, but I'm really excited because this color is very pretty. Inside the package, you're going to receive 1 4-clip weft, 2 3-clip wefts, 3 2-clip wefts, and 1 1-clip weft. Now, because I have my hair parted kind of over to the side just a tad, I'll be using the 2-clip weft on the side that I have less hair, and then the single clip to kind of fill in at the hairline, and I'll show you that in my install in just a moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to part my hair, and I'm gonna start with the first 3-clip weft, and then I'm going to move to a 4-clip weft, followed by another 3-clip weft, and then moving into the 2-clip wefts and the single clip weft. So I will definitely keep the camera rolling so you guys can see the installation, and then we'll move into the style and my official reveal, as well as my opinion once they're all installed. Alright guys, so I've installed the extensions. This is the 24-inch, 110-gram, 7-piece brown balayage set, and I'll definitely be sure to link that below so that you guys have a link if you decide that you want to purchase your own extensions. I'll be sure to include all the information in today's video down there, so no need to take notes. I'll make sure that you have access to all of that before the end of the video. But essentially at this point, the hair is installed, and I'm going to go ahead and actually do a style that's going to help to sort of blend some of my shorter hair into the longer hair beneath, just to give it that really beautiful, voluptuous style that I'm looking for the evening. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started, and I will come back and do a full review after I get to see how it looks. Alright guys, so what do you think? I think that they look really nice. One thing that I really love about Maxfull's extensions from the time that I have had an opportunity to use it with my previous set is that they are long lasting. You know, obviously you can heat style, which is great. They're 100% Remy hair, so you don't have to worry about your extensions getting damaged from heat styling. They're 100% natural hair. But something that kind of sets them apart from other extension brands is that their wefts are actually the same thickness from the clip all the way down the shaft of the hair. So all the way to the ends, they're almost the exact same thickness. And that's what gives you that fullness and that body throughout, so that if you've ever seen like cheap extensions, they're really thick at the top and then they get really, really stringy towards the bottom, almost like Barbie doll hair. And they look cheap and they look plasticky, and I really don't like that. The other thing that I really loved is they had almost an identical match to my hair, guys. And that's something that is also really nice, because then I don't have to go through the hassle of trying to dye the extensions or do anything additional. They just work. So I really love the 24-inch. I definitely am eager to try the 20-inch. I might order some because I think the 20-inch would actually hit just below where my natural hair is, and I think that for just everyday use, those might be more appropriate. I wanted to have a little bit more pizzazz today, which is why I went for the longer style, but it definitely worked out really, really well. I absolutely love them. To achieve this look, if you are getting a 24-inch set of extensions, you will need an extra long barrel curling iron or curling wand of some sort, because it was definitely challenging to try to get through some of the ends. I don't know if you noticed in the video, I had to wrap multiple times for a few of them, even with an extra long barrel. Just keep that in mind when you're placing the order, that the length of the extensions will make it more or less difficult to style. Something that I've done in the past is actually pre-style, so that might have been beneficial in this case. I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys and show you everything from start to finish, so maybe next time I'll try pre-styling them, but that was probably the most challenging part. So in total, it took me approximately 20 minutes to achieve this look. It was approximately 8 to 10 minutes to install the extensions, and then the styling took another 10 to 12 minutes. So really an easy, effortless style to get that dramatic of a change. I will definitely show you a before and after photo somewhere right about here so that you can see how big of a difference it really is. I absolutely love this brand. I'm so happy that they reached out to do a collaboration with me because their extensions are phenomenal for the value. I previously was spending upwards of $300 for a full set of extensions in a comparable quality from Luxy Hair, and I have to say that I'm not going to do that anymore, because even though I love my Luxys and I absolutely raved about them, they're just not affordable for the average person, and you could literally buy several sets of these for the value or the price of one set of Luxys. So I just want to put that out there. As much as I love my Luxy Hair and as much of a fan as I was, I did find a better value and a comparable quality, and I definitely think that this is the brand that I'm gonna go forward with. So in closing, guys, if you are looking for an affordable, soft, healthy Remy hair extension at an affordable price, look no further, guys. Maxfull is definitely the way to go. I'll definitely be ordering additional extensions, and maybe I'll bring some other styles to the channel, but I definitely really think that for the value that these extensions are absolutely amazing, and I am very, very happy that I took the chance and placed the first order so that I knew the quality would be good, and I am not regretting these second extensions either. I want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel and hanging out with me. If this is your first time landing on my channel and you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a like. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure to hit that notification bell too, so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. But once again, guys, it has been so awesome hanging out with you. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.